Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today we're doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Let's just get straight into it. All right. This month's theme is sweet treats. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this first. This is the TERRE de Mars Reddition Body Cleanser, and this retails for $22. It says it's an organic, low-foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. Infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. Alright, well, I'm not going to try this on camera, but I will test it out and I might let you know how it does. Let's just go ahead and smell it though. Smells good. It has like a clean smell, just what you want. So, all right, we're gonna go on the next thing. We're gonna go ahead and skip all these and go into this. This is the NATASHA DENONA Ayana palette, and this retails for $48. And this is the palette. We're gonna go ahead and create a look. I'll pop this baby in. Helps keep my hair out of the way. Prime the eyes. I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, just the original one. If you're interested in what I'm using. Alright, I'm gonna zoom me in. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna try to use all of the colors. I'm gonna use this crease color in my crease. I'm gonna take Harlow right above it. I'm gonna take Lash Line, dark color. I'm just gonna go on the outer corner. I'm gonna take that Glam Green, put it all over my eyelid. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. Crease on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take a little bit of lash line on my lower lash line. Alright, I'm gonna take that last color, Satin Skin, in my inner corner. Bring it up into the lid just a little bit. Blend into that green a little. Okay. The eyeshadow's done. To be honest, when I saw this palette, I wasn't excited. I really wanted the other palette with that bright green in there, but it's a nice neutral palette. I like the look I created. So, yeah, okay. Just zoom back out. All right, the next thing in the box we're gonna take a look at is this right here. This is the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer, and this retails for $35. The last tinted moisturizer I got in the Boxycharm I wasn't too thrilled with. It had a very strong cinnamon smell and I didn't really care for it. I don't really use it that much, so. Alright. So it says, shake well. Shake it. Do it upside down. That's what I learned with the last one. Yep. Upside down. Alright. That's a decent smell compared to the last one I had. I'm just gonna rub it in. My beauty blender and just make sure it's just even. So it seems to blend very well with my skin. I like the smell a lot more of this one than I did with the previous one I had. It just feels like a moisturizer, which is, you know, it's a tinted moisturizer, so very, very, very light coverage. Again, tinted moisturizer. I can see myself using this one. I'll probably use it a couple times before I can really determine. But the last one I used a couple times, and at the end of the day, I just did not like it. So I will use this one. So far, so good. All right, I am gonna go apply the rest of my face makeup, and I will be right back. And I'm back. Okay, the next thing we're gonna take a look at is this, and this is the ELOISE Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator, and this retails for $38. This is in Champagne Rich. This is what it looks like. This luminizer can be applied to all areas of the face and body, your cheekbones, shoulders, neckline, collarbone, legs, and arms for gleaming glow. So I think I'm going to use a little bit as a highlighter, and why not apply it to some of my shoulders since they're exposed. So. And I'm just gonna use my fingers. Looks nice and sparkly on my shoulders. How's that highlight look? Okay, I see it. I see you. I see you. Not much of a body glow type of person, but summer's coming, so we might try something new. Okay. All right. And the last thing in the box is this. This is the Flirtatious Looks Monarch Lash Pack, and this retails for $38. Okay. So the top lash is called Baby Girl. Let's see if you can see it. There we go. Baby Girl. And the bottom lash is Charmer. And it comes with a lash applicator. Nice. So Baby Girl has an angled lash for an iconic cat eye effect, and Charmer has a round lash for an instant doll-eye effect. Well, for this look, I think I'm gonna go with Charmer. Let's go with that doll eye. Nope. We're gonna go with Baby Girl. It's been a while since I put some lashes on. Not the best at applying lashes, but I got them on. And I think I chose the right ones. Those ones are really pretty. I like those. For this eye, I think that worked out great. Okay, so that's everything in my box. Let's add everything up here. So all of it equaled out to $181. So when I first peeked into the box, I was like, meh. Okay, but getting to kind of play with them during this video, yeah, I'm happy with it. I'll get to experiment with this summer. I think that'll be perfect. Give me a little bit nice of a bronzy glow. I also need a tan. This Tinted Moisturizer actually worked out much better than the last one I got, so I'm happy with that. The lashes, gorgeous. The palette, again, I was a little disappointed when I got this one, but I did create a nice look. Then this one, you know, it's a body wash. It smells good, so we'll see what it does to my skin. That's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you got in your box. I happened to watch someone else's Boxycharm video that I follow on YouTube, and we got the exact same box, so that was pretty cool. All right, until next time.